Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop scam emails if you use Outlook or Hotmail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your web browser. This will take you directly to your online email dashboard where you can access all your messages and folders. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to tackle those suspicious messages. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are displayed. From here, take a moment to look through your messages and identify any email that seems suspicious. These could be messages asking for personal information, unusual requests from unfamiliar senders, or emails that just don't look quite right. When you spot one, go ahead and click on it to select it. Now here's where you take action against these scammers. With the suspicious email selected, look for the report button at the top of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, simply click on Report Phishing. This is a powerful feature that does more than just delete the email. What this actually does is report the email sender directly to Microsoft, flagging them for a scam attempt. Microsoft will then review the sender and potentially block them across their entire platform, protecting not just you but other users as well. The beauty of using report phishing instead of just blocking or deleting is that it provides a much better layer of protection. Once you report an email as phishing, all messages associated with this sender and any related email addresses they might use will automatically be blocked from reaching your inbox in the future. This means you won't have to manually block multiple variations of the same scammer's email address, and Microsoft can take broader action against these bad actors. And that's it. You've just made your inbox safer by reporting that scam email and helping Microsoft identify and block these malicious senders. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.